Welcome to a chef called Rhonda. I'm Rhonda and this is my kitchen. And before we get started onward and upward with all the favorite foods and recipes and flavors of the Island of Ischia, I would be remiss if I didn't show you how to properly buy a bus ticket, which is my method of transportation when staying on the Island of Ischia. Grab your trusty wooden spoons. We'll all meet back in the kitchen while I show you how to buy a bus ticket. Okay, today I'm here on Ischia Porto and I'm going to the ticket window to purchase my monthly bus ticket. Just as a side note, you can buy your daily and weekly bus tickets at your local edicola or your tabacaya, and those are your local newsstand shops in town. It's very important to note here, as soon as you have your new ticket in hand, you must stamp it like I'm showing you here in the little machine and wait until that button turns green. That means you're good to go, whether it be for the day, the week, or the month. But you must stamp that bus ticket. Bus inspectors may ask to see your ticket, and it's best to have done this properly the first time. Only positive things to say about riding the bus on the Island of Ischia. The buses are clean, the drivers are patient, kind, and courteous, and the buses are on time. Well, today I'm going to stop off in Forio. I see a little food truck. Here I go. I wanted to take this moment and say many thanks for subscribing to a chef called Rhonda. It's always healthy, always delicious, and always fun. And I want you to stay tuned as we move through the month of July, and I bring much more lovely flavors from the island directly to you. At the time of this filming, mask mandates were in effect. Our American N95 mask are the equivalent. Buses are air conditioned, and I bid you a farewell. Arrivederci until we meet again. Ciao!
It's a chef called Rhonda on the bus. And as you can see, not too crowded. Headed into the little town of Rhonda. Mask mandates are in